it's me, Shavi, and I'm here with my sister.
Ashley Violet, hi.
And for today's video, I'm gonna uncrack this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 eggs. And also, guys, Happy Chinese New Year!
Happy Chinese New Year!
Kami pachoy! And here, are you ready to uncrack it?
Of course. Sister. Ouch.
We don't even need a sister to open it. I thought you're the one who's gonna open the first one.
Okay, I'm gonna open the blue one.
I don't need help for the sister.
King Joy!
And here, guys, it's another King Joy, and it's also it's pink. Hers is blue, and mine is pink.
Well, okay, in this video, I'm gonna take all the blue. I'm going to open all the blue ones. Open! Shavi. Another one.
Oh, it's a whistle, guys. It already opened the toy.
Okay. Okay, that is hard to open.
You need to open the toy already.
Okay. Open. I mean, it's already cracked. Okay.
It's hard to uncrack.
Oh no, it's open!
What open?
The food is open.
And the toy is open.
No, it's just the food. And the toy also.
I told
Okay. What is this?
Oh, I
It's
don't
a
know.
scoop. It's a scoop.
And it's a whistle.
And there's a spoon.
Of course, there will be always spoon in there.
And yeah.
Oh my God! I have a
Dinosaur.
a mini dinosaur. Ow! I
And
can.
the food. Oh no. Okay, that's delicious. But
Today, before you eat it, you need to open it all.
pull out. Ouch!
Yeah, my fingers already hurting.
Okay.
Because I need a big really help right now. I really need a big help.
Okay.
Open this first. I'm gonna open
Done.
What? You just already opened.
Yeah, I'm strong.
Oh, guys, I got something. A ring.
Toy ring.
Yeah.
Done. 3 more to go.
I
3 more
have
left.
3 more to go again.
3 more left.
Okay, 3 more left. Alright.
2 more. Ouch.
That hurts, I think. That hurts.
The last one. The last one. Stick up the glass on here.
Sis, if you've already... Oh! Are you freaking kidding me?
You open the food.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open this. Done. I'm done. Now I'm going to open all the toys.
Wait! Help me open this first.
Okay.
I need a spoon to open this one.
Easy peasy.
You. I break the spoon.
Done. Now let's go open the toys.
Wait for me to open the toys. We need to open the toys at the same time.
I already opened it. It's a toy car. It's a racing toy car. Over there. See?
I had a spinner.
And
It's a flower
the
one.
toys. Toys are here.
Put all the toys at the front.
And this one is... What is this? Oh, it's a nail. Look, it's a toy nail. See?
I have
Okay.
I have a duplicate one.
Duplicate one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last one. Open.
It's a cup.
It's
It's a cup.
It's another one. Wait. It's a cup and there's two, and what do we call it?
Cup.
It's not a cup.
Scoop.
Oh yeah, it's scoop.
It's a hippopotamus.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a hippopotamus. It's color blue.
And now, oh, you're still. Oh, I forgot about this.
And another dinosaur. Yeah,
Is it
it's another
duplicate?
dinosaur. Yeah, we have a duplicate.
Yeah, there's tons of duplicate here.
Okay. And what is this? It's a plate. Is this a set of cooking toy? Yeah.
Maybe. Soon we will get all the kitchen stuff.
It's an airplane.
Again?
You already have an airplane?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me help you.
I have another plane.
That's a jet.
Oh, I need a jet. It's already done, sis.
Is that all?
Yep.
Show it. Chocolate.
And here's a spoon. Do you want some here?
Spoon. We have tons of spoon.
Yeah.
Here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
13.
12 spoon.
Oh, this one's 13.
That's already counted.
Oh.
12 spoons.
Want to taste it?
Yeah, let's do that in 3, 2, 1. Delicious. I like chocolate.
I haven't tasted chocolate yet.
Yum.
Mmm. I like it. We're gonna end this. So
Okay,
guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that subscribe button and just click the like, share, subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you guys don't miss anything that I post. Also guys, comment what should I uncrack next.
And happy Chinese New Year, everyone. Bye.
Bye.